TCL RayNeo X2. Using Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the RayNeo X2 are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. You can capture and interact with the world around you using their 16-megapixel camera, which is accompanied by a SLAM system and gesture recognition. Among the many features available on the RayNeo X2 are smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and much more. Plus, there's a library full of augmented reality apps and games that will make your time even more enjoyable. With their modern style and feather-light construction, the RayNeo X2 are the perfect sunglasses. With 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, they come with a charging cord and a case. You may control them with your voice or touch, and they work with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get your hands on the RayNeo X2 on Indiegogo right now for $699 if you act fast. Voixatch Smartwatch. An outstanding new product, the Voixatch Smartwatch combines a smartwatch's useful features with those of a smartphone. Designed to keep you connected without the need of your phone, it is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset. With its 1.3-inch AMOLED display and ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, this wearable device guarantees fluid performance and vibrant images. The innovative bezel-mounted Bluetooth earpiece is the focal point of the Voixatch's revolutionary all-in-one design. The bezel detaches with a twist and raise, making it easy to wear in your ear. The 530 mAh battery provides 3 hours of call time, so that you're always prepared for your next call. The smartwatch charges the headset. Voixatch is all about personalization. You may change the bezels to 4 different colors to find the one that suits you best. Kickstarter backers may purchase it for as little as $179. Apple Vision Pro, an innovative technology that revolutionizes personal computing and entertainment. The Apple Vision Pro combines the worlds of virtual reality and augmented reality. With its vast virtual workspace and endless canvas, it's going to revolutionize the way people use their favorite apps. The gadget can also serve as a home theater system, engrossing the user with visual content that can be resized to their liking and delivered with spatial audio. Users may capture spatial photographs and films using Apple Vision Pro's 3D camera, giving their memories more depth. Prices range from $3,499 for the 256GB model to $3,699 for the 512GB and $3,899 for the 1TB. A 30-watt USB-C power adapter and USB-C charge cable are included, in addition to a light seal, a solo knit band, a dual loop band cover, a battery, and a polishing cloth. You may get AppleCare Plus for $499 if you want further protection. Yugot Robotic Kit. Create 7 different robots with just one Ugot Robotic Kit, a revolutionary combination of technology and creativity. With its clever knob block and modular architecture, building and customizing your robots is a breeze. Another option is to use open-source hardware and do-it-yourself parts from third parties to personalize your robots. As a tool for learning, the Ugot Robotic Kit goes beyond being a simple toy. An AI-based computer with integrated central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and neural processing unit chips is included with the primary control through here. You may access all of AI's features, including bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and more. Python and the graphical user interface both allow you to build your own models and algorithms. Kickstarter is currently accepting pre-orders for the Ugot Robotic Kit at a price of $256. Doppelmayr Garaventa. When it comes to ropeways, cable cars, and ski lifts, the Doppelmayr Garaventa group is unrivaled on a global scale. It is now the biggest company in the world in this field. It was formed in 2002 when the Austrian Doppelmayr and the Swiss Garaventa AG merged. Ski resorts, urban regions, and tourist sites are the company's specialty when it comes to innovative mobility solutions. In 96 countries, they have installed more than 15,400 units. The unique nature of each project prevents the disclosure of exact system pricing. However, the business reportedly made 946 million euros in sales in 2022 and 2023. Although the exact amount can differ greatly, ropeway systems typically cost between 1/3 and 2/3 as much as traditional transportation methods. To illustrate the point, 45 million Swiss francs was the total order volume for the construction of 4 funivores and one of the world's steepest aerial tramways on the Schildhorn. Airspeeder Crewed MK4. Aloda Aeronautics Airspeeder MK4 is the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft when it comes to vertical takeoff and landing acceleration. From a standing start, it can achieve a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in under 30 seconds. It was designed and constructed in Adelaide, which is located in South Australia. A Thunderstrike hydrogen turbo generator provides the electricity, and it has a range of up to 300 kilometers with it. Because it is built to be as agile as possible at high speeds and low altitudes, the MK4 is an excellent choice for racing in general. With a takeoff weight of only 950 kilograms, it is also in an incredibly efficient manner. There are plans to hold the first crewed races in the year 2024. The introduction of this groundbreaking technology paves the way for an environmentally responsible future for private air travel. Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro. When compared to other wagons, the Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro is distinguished by its electric propulsion. Because it is equipped with a robust motor that is 500 watts in power, this revolutionary device is able to smoothly cross any surface. Whether you are going camping, gardening, shopping, or moving, the Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro is a fantastic solution for any activity that takes place outside. With a capacity of 200 liters and the ability to carry loads of up to 132 pounds, the Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro is a vehicle that is both spacious and extremely strong. With no effort, the Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro can be folded up and placed in your trunk, making it even another alternative that is both compact and portable. An excellent addition that can be attached to the wagon for further functionality is the egg roll folding table that is included in the package. At the current price of $449.99, the Lithaly EWagon W1 Pro is available for purchase on Amazon. Pesa H2 Loco. One innovative shunting locomotive that uses hydrogen fuel cells is the Pesa H2 Loco. It is the fruit of Pesa's groundbreaking initiative to integrate environmentally friendly technology into rail cars, and it is the world's first of its type. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, Pesa H2 Loco is capable of pulling trains that weigh up to 3,200 tons. It can run on 650 kilowatt of power for 15 hours before needing to be refueled. The vehicle's driver sits smack dab in the center of the sleek contemporary design, and it comes standard with autonomous driving and anti-collision systems. For shunting operations in green ports and intermodal terminals that do not emit any emissions, Pesa H2 Loco is the best option. When it finally hits shelves in 2024, Pesa H2 Loco will cost about $5 million. Look no further than Pesa H2 Loco if you are in search of an environmentally conscious, dependable, and strong shunting locomotive. EcoFlow Blade Robotic. In comparison to standard lawnmowers, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower stands apart. This state-of-the-art technology can scan your lawn, identify obstructions, and plot the optimal path for mowing, thanks to its combination of optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS. With the additional yard sweeper kit, it can clean up your yard by sweeping away leaves, sticks, and other debris. To top it all off, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower doesn't require any kind of boundary or cable installation. The EcoFlow app makes it easy to establish and change mowing limits from your smartphone. Using the app, you can manage the mower's cutting height, check the battery life, and even trace its whereabouts. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower can climb slopes as steep as 27 degrees, has a large cutting width, and front wheels that can turn in any direction. For a limited time, you can have it for $2,649, or you can get it with the Lawn Sweeper Kit for $3,199. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 3D printer is capable of curing resin layers with such incredible precision thanks to its high-resolution LCD screen. The purpose of its design is to be utilized in industrial environments. The massive building capacity of 353 by 198 by 400 millimeters allows you to print large objects as well as a large number of smaller models all at the same time. In addition to this, it has the capability of printing at a speed of up to 180 millimeters per hour, which means that you won't have to wait very long to finish your project. You are able to monitor your prints from a longer distance thanks to its high-definition camera, touchscreen, and dual cooling system. It is quite simple to make adjustments to the settings. The Apex Maker X1 is a product that should be considered by everyone who is interested in taking their 3D printing talents to the next level. The early bird bargain on Kickstarter requires a deposit of $3,999. Anker Solix F 3800. Is a versatile portable power station something you're after? You can rely on the Anker Solix F 3800 for all of your backup power needs, whether you own a home, RV, or EV. With an AC output of up to 6,000 watts and a capacity of 3,800 watt-hours, this device is both powerful and adaptable. In addition to storing solar energy, it can power your electric vehicle, run household appliances, and more. You can add as many as 6 expansion batteries to Anker's Solix home power panel, increasing its capacity to 12,000 watt-hours or 53.8 kilowatt-hours, respectively, for longer power outages. A smart app allows you to track and personalize your energy usage, and the Anker Solix F 3800's plug-and-play design makes it easy to use. Additionally, it has a 5-year warranty and is dependable and durable thanks to InfiniPower technology, which guarantees a product life of 10 years. Visit Anker.com right now to get your hands on it for just $3,999. Alarm Stop Sleep. Alarm Stop Sleep makes it seem like it's getting closer to dawn by progressively raising the contrast and brightness of the lights. This will help you stay awake and on schedule with your circadian rhythm. Exposure to summer light before sunrise improves mood, sleep duration, and attentiveness in the morning, according to studies. Instead of the annoying and disruptive sound of a conventional alarm, the gentle vibrations of the Alarm Stop Sleep bracelet will gently jolt you awake at the top of the hour. The bracelet communicates with the Alarm Stop Sleep app on your phone to monitor the length and quality of your sleep. You can see your sleep data and receive advice on how to improve your sleep hygiene based on that. A better night's sleep and a more energized and optimistic start to the day are 2 benefits. There is a time limit on the $199.99 price tag for Alarm Stop Sleep. Aeolus Robotics. The team at Aeolus Robotics creates and sells robots for use in a wide range of businesses and tasks. AEO, their most popular product, is a multifunction humanoid robot with a wide range of abilities, including but not limited to opening doors, controlling elevators, delivering medications, and more. AEO's mission is to improve the lives of individuals all around the globe by making their lives easier and more productive, especially those who are elderly or have health issues. AEO also comes with a convenient mobile app that lets you control and access it from anywhere. Aeolus Robotics provides their clients with adaptable payment options, round-the-clock assistance, and frequent software upgrades. At your service 24 hours a day, AEO is more than simply a robot. It's a dependable and competent companion. Though not officially announced, rumors have suggested that AEO costs anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 each unit. EcoFlow GLACIER. If you're looking for a cooler, the EcoFlow GLACIER isn't your only option. There are 2 independent temperature zones on this smart appliance. One can be set to 10 degrees Celsius and the other to minus 25 degrees Celsius. A 100-watt USB-C port allows you to charge your devices, while it can also make 18 ice cubes in just 12 minutes. 60 cans will fit in the 13.8-liter space. Featuring a detachable lever and wheels for convenient mobility, it can be remotely controlled over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using a smart app. The EcoFlow GLACIER is environmentally friendly and efficient because it runs on a 298 Wh plug-in battery that can be recharged in as little as 2.1 hours using solar power. It has a wireless operation time of up to 40 hours. Environmentally friendly features include vacuum insulating panels. In accordance with popular mechanics, you can acquire this top-tier portable device for an only $999. Totem Planter. Using a number of different interchangeable modules, the Totem Planter provides a novel approach to vertical gardening by allowing users to construct their own unique plant tower. You can choose from a wide range of modules, including vertical, horizontal, microgreen, and more to suit your specific requirements. Less work, less waste, and less mess are the results of the Totem Planter's use of hydroponic and aeroponic technologies to hydrate plants directly, rather than soil. For optimal plant growth, the Smart Grow bar that comes with the Totem Planter makes use of horticultural LEDs manufactured by Samsung. Totem is an app that lets you manage your plants' watering and lighting schedules and gives you tips on how to make your plants grow better. In addition, there is an ambient mode that can be turned on for those times when you would like to showcase your plants at night, since it emits a soft and lovely light.